If I could be you for just one day, and you could live a single day as me, I wonder how differently we'd see each other. You would carry the weight I never speak about. You would feel the fears I hide behind a smile, the battles I fight when no one is watching, and the memories that still visit when the room grows quiet. And I would discover that your life isn't nearly as easy as I imagined. I would learn that your strength came with scars, your patience came with pain, and your smile has survived storms I never knew existed. Maybe the problem isn't that we've stopped caring. Maybe we've simply forgotten that every person we meet is carrying a story we cannot see. Before you judge someone, criticize them, or decide who they are, imagine walking through life, wearing their shoes instead of your own. Compassion begins the moment we stop assuming we know someone else's journey. The world doesn't need more people proving they're right. It needs more people willing to understand.